What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Small intermission. Sorry. Y'all know I had to come with the commercial to introduce to you Dossier scent of the month. I have 3, and the first one is Fruity Oak Moss. This is what it looks like. And this one is inspired by Creed Aventus Her. The female Creed one. I'm gonna put the exact name up on the screen. When I tell you this smells expensive. The original perfume is $405. $405. Excuse me? I don't know if you got that, but I don't got that. I don't have that to pay for a perfume. So I'm gonna spend, you know, my $60, because this one I believe was $60 on Dossier, but you don't have to get this one. You can get other scents like what I got. I have the Woody Hyacinth, which is based off of Chanel Chance, and I also got Fruity Magnolia, which is based off of Versace's Bright Crystal. You can get many other scents that are less than $60, because I know $60 can probably still be on the more expensive side. You literally have scents from $29.99 that still smell just as good. You know, I wanted to try something new, and I decided to pick those ones. And when I tell you it smells heavenly, it smells heavenly. I tried the Musky Oak Moss, and I think that's the Creed for him, and I was like, wow, this smells so good, I need to try the Creed for her. So that's why I got it, and it smells amazing. Like, it just smells rich, you know. So sometimes when I'm going to more, you know, upscale events, or I want people to be like, what is that, then I'll put that on. You know what I'm saying? If I'm going for some more light but still expensive, I'll probably go for the Amber Vanilla. Girl, you have so many options. You smell good either way. So make sure you go shop on Dossier. Also, make sure to use my code AndImShelby10 for 10% off your order. And let's get back into the video. Yay! In today's video, I got some stuff from Shein. I haven't shown you guys anything that I got from Shein or done like a mini Shein haul in such a long time, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna show you all the stuff that I got from Shein. It's nothing major, it's just like 5 stuff. Yeah, I'm actually gonna start off with accessories first, because I don't know if you guys watched one of my other vlogs. I think it's the one where I said my hair fell out, so I'm rebranding. That one where I said I want to buy some new jewelry or get some new jewelry, and I don't really care if they're gonna tarnish or not right now, because I still don't know where to get some high quality jewelry or some. Anyway, so I got these. I just picked these up in my last video. In that same, you know, rebranding video, I showed you some rings and some earrings and stuff, so I decided to go back and get some more, but in silver. I got rings, I got a bracelet, and I got some earrings. So I'm going to show you guys the bracelet first, and it actually looks like this. So basically all you do is literally just snap it onto your hand, and that's it. And I think it is absolutely adorable. I don't have any silver jewelry at all, like none. All right, so here I got the earrings. I tried to have faith in these ones, these pearl looking ones, but I don't like them. I'm going to show you with one ear why I don't like them. So let me just take out these. Just look bad, because I'm gonna try it on with my bald head and it never come, so I don't know. But wait a minute. I might have lied. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Fine. Yeah. Oh, I love these. I love these. These are so cute. And I'm not gonna lie, I think it's my hair that threw it off, because as I said, it was the bald head, it never combed, none of that, so it was not looking cute. It was not looking cute at all. But anyways, we're moving on to the rings. I love them. Like, man. You done? First, I'm gonna show you the first ring, and y'all will see the reason why I was attracted to this set and the reason why I even bought this set. I could care less for the other rings, but this ring is what I really wanted. So, are you ready? 1, 2. Oh my god! Look at it! It's a princess ring! And then these are the other rings. Of course, none can fit my pinky because my pinky is too small. But oh my gosh, these are all so gorgeous. Just no more videos I'm really want to do. They're so cute. Shut up. I don't know, I just love silver on me. I think I'm a silver girl more than a gold girl, but I don't know, especially with my black nails, the silver just stands out. All right, we're gonna get into the clothes now. So this first item, everything is gonna be in the description box below, all the links and stuff. If it's not an extra small, it's a small. Whatever their smallest size is for these items, that's what I got. So this is what the dress looks like, right? Mind you, when I pulled it out of the bag the first time and I saw it, I was like, what the hell is this? What am I gonna do with this? Like, this don't look like how it look on the model. But I'm gonna show y'all. Just wait.
Can I hear a little commotion for the dress? A little bit?
Haters will say it's Photoshop. Get into Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. This is how long it is. It literally stops right below my knee or right on top of my knees. I am in love. The material, I love it. It's not too thick, but it's not thin at all. It feels like good quality material from Shein. It's not see-through. It is absolutely stretchy. So if you're a little bit bigger than me and get this size, girl, this is gonna snatch you up Coca-Cola bottle. Cause if it looks so good for me, girl, imagine for you. 10 out of 10. I have no complaints. Literally no complaints whatsoever. Like, it's rare when I find clothes that do this. Like, it's giving body. And worse, because guess what, guys, I have another announcement to make. Your girl gained a little bit of weight. I'm not gonna tell you how many pounds, but just know I was not seeing what y'all saw until I stepped on the scale. But yeah, girl, the body turn up. The body turn up. The gym is working for your girl. Your girl is eating up her interspoons and drinking her protein shake, and she's looking like a bottle. Onto the next. So guys, this is the next dress. It is a keyhole dress, but the keyhole is in the back. I wanted to just pin that up a while ago. But this is what the pattern is like. I don't know, what do I call this? It feels low-key kind of like crochet, but it's not. Is it crochet? It feels like crochet. Girl, I don't know what type of fabric this is, but all I know, it is hugging me. Let y'all see that. This is what it's looking like. Full body. It's like a nice mini dress. It's not too short and it's not long, because I don't like long dresses, especially if I'm going to the club and I want to be, you know, I forgive my space for, is it twerkable? I gotta check if it's twerkable. It's snug, but it also has a little bit of room in it. I don't know, personally, maybe I would have wanted it tighter. Let's see. It's just a very versatile dress. That's the word I'm looking for. I could wear this to the club. I could wear this on a quick brunch date. I could even wear this to a dinner date if I accessorize it right. I actually wore this to a party. Like, literally, as the package came, I had a party to go to that night and I wore it. And everybody was like, oh my god, that is such a cute dress. Yeah, I am not taking any pictures in this because maybe I want some picture needs one day, you know? And I didn't want my first picture in it to be at a party. 10 out of 10. You crazy? It's not showing up my figure as much as the other one. If we're going to be real, my butt looks extremely flat in this, and you know, it's a little bit demotivating after I thought I had gains, but nevertheless,
but look good anyways. So yeah, on to the next. So this is the next item. I am obsessed. You know, I've never owned an item from Skims, but they're like, these are the Skims dupes on Shein, and I had to get it. And I got this from the Shein Bay collection, and let me tell you, the quality is amazing. It feels like a good quality shirt there. You always doubting Shein and saying, oh, their stuff is flimsy. I ain't gonna lie, they got a couple flimsy pieces, but that's why you read the reviews. That's why you read the description to see what type of material it is, and that's why you read the reviews to see if they're lying or not. And they wasn't lying with this. They're not lying with this. I don't know what kind of material is this. I don't know if it's spandex or polyester or nylon. I don't remember what kind, but it's like that stretchy, kind of feels like swimsuit material, but it's not that thick. I love it. I absolutely love it. It is not see-through. It is so fitted. It just, oh! I'm sorry. I'm stepping into my grown era. What type of era really? I'm trying to get more basics into my wardrobe because I realize I don't have any basics. Can you believe that sometimes when I'm going out, I'm like, I just want a simple black t-shirt, or I just want a simple white t-shirt. I don't have that. So I decided that little by little I'm a stock up. So I got this in black. I also got it in 2 other colors. But first of all, I need to show you the shorts that I paired this with, because I just looked in the mirror and I realized, say, this can be a bomb ass outfit if I put some heels. Look, do y'all see the vision? Do you guys see the vision? I saw these shorts. I'm a little bit bummed because they are a little bit big on me. Like this whole area right here needs to be altered, and if not, then I'm gonna have to like pull it all the way up here, which I don't know if I really want to wear it all the way up there. If I do wear it all the way up here, then I'd have to get it altered in the waist. But if I wear it where it fits me right now, actually I think I want it up here. It accentuates my curves really well when I have it up here. That's why I like really high-waisted stuff, because it gives me the hourglass figure that I like showing off. If it's down here, you don't really see it much. You don't really see much of my shape that I have going on for me, and I like things that accentuate my figure. So there's that. But of course I had to get these shorts in green. They had cream as well. I don't know why I didn't get it, but I love these shorts. It's not stretchy. Oh, this is so freaking cute. I can wear this with heels, or I can dress it down and wear it with sneakers. Yeah, no, I time to shop some bag and some shoes because these are so cute. But I'm gonna show you guys the other tops that I got with these. It's like a bluish gray type of color. I don't know what color it's translating on camera, but it's real cute. Okay, and I think you could also wear this with this as well. Looks upon looks upon looks. Here's my little basic grown looks. I'm starting to really look my age, aren't I? As if 21 is old. Really stretchy and really nice. The snapback is perfect. I feel like if somebody a little bit bigger than me wore it, when I get it back, it now go stretch out. That's, you know, the type of quality that I like. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Okay, so this is a green. As I said, it looks like it looks a lot lighter on camera than it actually is, but it's a nice sage green and I absolutely adore it. It's actually a green top, more like a sage green. I don't know what color it's translating to on camera. Maybe when I look on my laptop it'll be the color that it's actually showing in person, but I love this monochromatic vibe it's giving. Green bag, green shoes, that's the vibe I would go for with this. And 10 out of 10. All these tops get a 10 out of 10 from me. The shorts get a 10 out of 10 from me because I know once I alter it, it is going to be bomb.com. Now onto the other outfit. Alright, so I have on the last 2 items, but first I want to show you the top. So of course, if you know me, I love black. I love black clothing, and all I've been wearing lately is black or white or some neutral color. I am going for the earth tones, the dark shades. That's what I like. And then if I'm doing anything light or bright, I'm doing pastel. Of course, you know, I love the cut up. I like anything that looks a little bit unusual or out of the box, or, you know, I don't know. I like stuff with a little bit of pizzazz. So that's what this top is doing. It is very, very, very stretchy. I would have preferred it to fit a little bit tighter right here. I would have loved if it was more fitted, but you know, it's okay. I don't mind it. Sometimes I feel like I would even wear it like that, or I'd probably tie it up in the back so it's a little bit tight. Ooh, that is cute with this outfit. Bitch, I'll be creating looks. Let me show you the pants, because I was really, really excited when I saw these on the model, and I'm like, I have to have them. You ready? You ready? You ready? Let me show you. Hey, this is what it. I love this. I don't know. I have a skirt that has the same style, but the thing is, the thing that I liked about that skirt and what I don't like with these pants is that I could actually tie this myself. I could adjust this myself, but this is actually built in to this, so it's actually stitched into the pants itself, so I can't tie it myself. And it does feel slightly loose, but luckily it's holding up. Also, another thing, I think here fits a little bit weird. I feel like this should have been down here some more, but if I pull it down there, then here is going to be baggy. So it's like, I kind of don't know. Maybe the idea was for it to be like a low-rise type of thing, because this is right on my hips. I don't think these pants really accentuate my figure. I thought they would have, but they don't. Because when I suppose I wear the shirt like this, then you know, you're not going to really see my shape. So then I'm going to have to wear something, I don't know. So yeah, it is actually PU leather. It's not thick. It's actually kind of thin for leather, or it's just thin for what I expected, but I actually don't mind that. Just no say, but it's sweaty and it's hot. I was so hot in it. I'm so happy it's not any thicker than that. Of course, we have the split hem going on here, and there is a string here actually that you tie. So that's what it looks like when it's tied up, and this is how it looks. As I was saying, this is what it looks like without it tied up. So yeah, it's actually meant to be tied. So that's how you tie it, tie to the side, whatever. You actually do whatever you want with the strings, but that's just what I did with the strings. That's pretty much, oh, lie! The last thing, for real, I bought these sunglasses. So, you know, I wanted to get a pair of hater blockers, but I think I picked the wrong one. These were not the ones that I wanted at all, and when I got them and tried them on, I hated them. I absolutely hated them. But let me tell you why I hated them, because as I said, hair has a lot to do with stuff. So when I just put them on, these were how I was putting them on, because I like to wear glasses like down here. I don't like to push them all the way up to my face. But that's what I should have done, because look, hater blockers activated. Like, I absolutely love these. Actually, when I push them up like that, my side profile is eating. It's giving what I want them to give. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I feel like this outfit is even nice right now. Ciao! I look good. I look good. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. If you like this haul, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned for my next video. I love you guys. Mwah!